home delivery, press 2 now. If you have questions about your regular, this call may be monitored or recorded for quality purposes.
Thank you for calling Schwans Service. My name is Nishal. May I ask who am I speaking with?
Brutus!
Sir, how can I help you today?
Hello? Who is this?
Thank you for calling Schwans Service. My name is Nishal. May I ask who am I speaking with?
My name is Brutus.
And Doris, how can I help you today?
Yeah, I need a truck right away.
Sorry, what is that again?
I need a truck right away.
You need a truck right away, you said?
Yeah. I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Hello?
Hello, sir. I am not being able to hear you quite clearly. May I start by having the phone number that's associated with your Schwans account, please?
Which one?
Do you have an account with Schwans, sir?
Yeah.
All right. May I have your phone number for the account?
Which one?
Your phone number that is associated with the account, sir.
Who is it?
Hello, sir.
Come on, speak to me.
So what I'm asking is, do you have the phone number?
All right, that sounds good. Yeah.
So may I have the phone number that is associated with your Schwans account?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. And what is the number, sir?
Huh? Hey, I can keep this up all day long if you want me to. You don't have one?
Sir, I'm asking for your phone number that is associated with the Schwans account.
Yeah.
Yes, may I have the phone number, please?
Yeah.
Right, and what is the phone number?
Which one?
So I wouldn't know which phone numbers you have, sir. The phone number that you put into the Schwans account.
What? Huh?
I can also try and pull up your...
Come on, speak to me. Hello?
Hello, sir?
Yes.
Would you like to spell out your last name for me, please?
No. Yeah, I need a truck right away. I'm looking for a truck, douchebag.
All right, sir. I am not able to provide the same-day service unless you are scheduled for service today. And for that reason, to access your Schwans account.
Huh?
Are you able to give me your phone number that is associated with your account? Or the last name and zip code, please?
Yeah. My name is Brutus.
All right, sir.
I'm in New York.
The last name for me?
I'm in New York.
Right, sir, I am not being able to help you unless you give me either your phone number or your last name and your zip code.
I beat the shit out of my wife last night. I think the cunt's dead. Yeah, I need a truck right away. She divorced me after that. Then I went gay for a while. Come on, speak to me.
All right, so just a second here.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
I really love that dog. It's just hard to say it is because I can't read, remember? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
What
Hello?
did you say, sir?
Huh?
Sonny.
Who is this?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. I'm looking for a truck to ride down by the river. I killed my wife. Hello?
Yes, sir, I'm right here.
Yeah. Oh, all right. speak to me.
Yes, sir. Do you have an account number for the Schwans?
Yeah. Yes.
All right. May I have your account number, please?
What? Which one? That's just hard to say it is because I can't read, remember? One, not to show up at the North Country Hospital, even get treated it is, if I even get hurt or anything. Hello?
Yes, sir. What did you say your name was again?
My name is Brutus.
And may I have your address, please?
Yeah.
All right. What is your address?
Huh? I'm in New York. New York. Yeah, listen up for this. I'm in New York.
All right, sir. Do you have an account number? Do you have any phone number or an account number for the Schwans account?
Huh? My mind is still a little foggy this morning. I had enough coffee. Hello?
Hello, sir. Did you say
Yeah.
Kodak?
No. My name is Brutus.
Todas? All right, sir. And how can I help you today?
Yeah, I need a truck right away.
A
I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Huh? What do I have to do? Come right down there, it is? Hey, you're pissing me off, it is. What do I have to do? Come right down there, it is?
So in order for me to help you, for you to get a Schwans stock, I would either need your phone number or your last name and a zip code. Yes, can you spell out your last name for me, please?
No. My name is Brutus. Brutus. Hey, stop hanging up on me. Hey, listen here, fuckwad. Come on, speak to me. Yeah, I need a truck right away.
Oh.